Hi there, everyone. So I'd asked, and you said you wanted to see an unboxing for these orchids. So I'm gonna unbox these orchids, and I'll leave it up to you to decide if I'm wearing anything with this boudoir robe. So these are from Orchid Web, which I've ordered from once before. They're the wind orchid that I have is from here. These instructions. All right. So these came pretty fast, which is nice. So here's a first one. Move this box. This feels nicely packed. Oh, okay, all right. So you can see, I'll be very gentle with this, but this is a bark-mounted orchid that I bought. It's my first of its kind. Okay. So this is Chyloschista extinctoriformis brown ale. This is very cute leafless orchid that has like tiny yellowish brownish flowers. I believe you soak this to keep it moisturized. Probably pretty often spritzing it since it has exposed roots. Oof. All right. Let's see what this one is. Okay. Oh, there we go. I was like, what am I missing here? Okay. So this one has a pot. Ooh, okay. I believe this one is the lady slipper orchid that I bought. I've been told that they are mostly grown for their foliage, and I think you can see it's like really beautiful striations on its leaves. This is also a new type of orchid for me, so I'm curious to see how it'll go. All right, I believe we have two more in here. Oh, okay. This is my very first sundew. Nope, not a sundew, a butterwort. And it looks like it's in spike, which means it has a flower. So I want to be very delicate with this. Oh, I can see it. Oh, it's so lovely. It actually has two flowers on it. Isn't that so pretty? Butterworts are carnivorous. You can, I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but there are slight hairs on the leaf that trap like tiny flies. And actually, if you look, there are a couple flies in there already, like little gnats. I've started to get a little brave based on my successes with pitcher plants and a Venus flytrap now, so I'm curious to see how this will go. They have these very pretty, vibrant flowers. And also I'm pretty prone to getting fungus gnats in my ferns, so this will be it'll be a welcome addition. Okay. Whew. It is warm. And this... Yes, this is the last one. Actually, there might be something in here too. I don't know what I bought. You know, this was only a few days ago and I spent literal days thinking about what I wanted to get. And then of course, once I hit buy, that all goes out of my head. All right, let's see what we have here. Oh my god, did I buy 2 bark-mounted pieces? Oh, this is, I want to say this is Dendrobium Falconeering. I don't think I realized this was going to be on bark. So I'm going to have a fun challenge figuring that out. This has this most, like these long, beautiful leaves, and then they have these white and purple and brown and burgundy and yellow flowers. Oh wow, there's a lot to this one. Here we go. Look how cool this is. Isn't that so neat? think I'll probably be hanging it so that it hangs down. It's got a metal hook right there so I can hang it. Now I know what you're asking. What are you going to hang it on? I don't know. I probably could have thought that far in advance, but I did not. But that's okay. That is okay. But this looks so cool. This is so different from any other orchid that I have. All right, let me put this aside. Okay. Now I believe this is the last one, but again, I could not tell you what it is. Okay. Oh yeah, okay, I did. I did buy this one. This is another wind orchid. I believe this one is a seedling size, which is why you can't really see a whole lot there right now. Move this tape. So it should take like I think another year maybe for this to get close to flowering, but look how cute. Look at that tiny little orchid. It's so precious. So this is Neostylist loose sneery. I think it's kind of like bluish purplish with some white variegation. I think because it's a seedling, it's less certain what it'll look like as opposed to like a clone or a cutting. But yeah. So we've got that little wind orchid, this beautiful dendrobium, the butterwort, the lady slipper orchid, and this other bark mounted beauty. There we go. A whole bunch of, new exciting adventures in plant form. Well, thanks for joining me. And if there's something you want to see or you have questions about any of these, let me know. And otherwise, I will see you on the next bath day. Thanks.